Welcome to the session 7. So, pressure measuring devices, in that manometers are the devices used to measure the pressure at a point. The different types of manometers are piezometers, U-tube manometers, differential U-tube manometers, inverted differential U-tube manometers, and single column manometers. Piezometer is a glass tube inserted in a pipe or a vessel at a level of point at which the intensity is to be measured. The other end of the piezometer is kept open to the atmosphere. The height of the liquid in the piezometer gives the pressure head from which the intensity of the pressure can be calculated. Next is U-tube manometer. U-tube manometer consists of a glass tube bent in U shape, one end of which is connected to the point whose pressure is to be determined, and other end is kept open to the atmosphere. U-tube manometer consists of liquid of specific gravity other than the fluid whose pressure intensity is to be measured, and it is called as manometric liquid. Some of the parameters of manometric liquid are: it should not mix or have any chemical reaction with the fluid whose pressure intensity is to be measured. It should not undergo any thermal variation, and manometric liquid should have a very low vapor pressure, and it should have pressure sensitivity depending upon the magnitude of pressure to be measured and accuracy requirement. Problem on U-tube manometer: determine the pressure at A for the U-tube manometer shown in figure. Also calculate the absolute pressure at A in kilopascal. See, this is the U-tube manometer given, where the point A is shown here, whose pressure is to be determined. At this point the pressure is to be determined, and they have given a U-tube manometer containing a mercury. The height of mercury in the right limb is 500 mm, whereas in the left limb it is to the datum line, and the liquid height in A in the left limb is given as 750 mm. Solution: under equilibrium condition equating the left limb and right limb pressure, so we will get the value of PA. So here, see here, PA, this is PA, pressure at A, and plus the pressure exerted by this liquid, okay, the liquid contained in the pipe, that is rho GH, then equal to the pressure in the right limb. So we have to equate the pressure exerted in the right limb because of this mercury. If we equate that, we will get the pressure at A, which is nothing but the gauge pressure. To calculate the absolute pressure, we have a expression: P absolute is equals to P atmospheric pressure plus P gauge. P atmospheric will be 101.3, okay, plus 59.35, which we have calculated. If we add that, we will get the absolute pressure. So there are some MCQs, please go through that. Thank you.